So hello everybody, welcome back to our channel in a new LeetCode series. So today we are going to solve problem number 485, which is maximum consecutive ones. So in this problem we have given a binary array nums. Return the maximum number of consecutive ones in an array. So let's see the example 1. So here you can see input nums. In this array, only binary number 0 and 1 is present. So we have to return the maximum number of consecutive ones. That means when we travel the array, uh, then we will check for 1 and in consecutive manner. So here you can see in example, at 0 index 1, again at 1 index 1 is present. So this is in consecutive manner. So we have its count is 2, and whenever 0 is here, you can see 0 is breaking the consecutive. So here a streak is break, consecutiveness is breaked. So and now later you can see 1 1 1. So here you can see 3 ones in consecutive. So here previously 2 ones in consecutive, which is breaked by 0, and again after 0 there is 3 ones in consecutive manner. So here maximum consecutive return is 3. So you can see the explanation. The first two digits or the last three digits are consecutive ones. The maximum number of consecutive ones is 3. Also you can see example 2. Also you can see constants. Nums dot length is in range between 1 and 10 to the power 5. And also another constraint is nums of 5 is either 0 or 1. So for this we will go with a loop. So in this we will write a for of loop. So you can see int num colon nums. So we will iterate through nums. So initially we will initialize a variable count, initialize with 0. Also it will track the counter of 1, and also we will initialize a maximum variable with 0. It will store the maximum occurrence of 1. So now we will write a condition. If num equal to 1, then count plus plus, and we will update maxi with maximum of maxi or num, sorry, maxi or count. Because if a streak will be break by 0, then count will be again 0. We will write another condition next. If num equal to 0, then we will make count is equal to 0 again. So we have update in line number 10 maxi by maximum of maxi and count. So here the reason is because when count is when num equal to 0, then we will make count is equal to 0, and we will update maxi with count. So and when count and maxi, in these two, whatever is maximum we will update maxi, and finally we will return maxi. Now we will check for test case. So here what happened, maxi is undeclared. Oh sorry, we have to declare variable out of this for loop. That's why we are getting error. Now I hope this would be correct. You can see here test case passed, expected and output results are same. So now we are going to submit this solution. So you can see that our solution is accepted with 100% bits rate. So this is very easy problem, but this problem test that you know how to iterate through the loops of array and manage condition. So this is easy question. Now you can solve by it yourself. So thanks for watching this video. We will meet in another video. Thanks.